Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch stream disconnecting so your broadcast stays stable. First, check your internet connection and avoid using Wi-Fi if possible. A wired connection is much more stable for streaming. Next, open your streaming software and lower your bit rate slightly, since a high bit rate can cause frequent disconnects. Also, reduce your output resolution or frame rate if your system is under stress. Now check your server settings and switch to the nearest Twitch ingest server for better stability. Make sure your streaming software, graphics drivers, and operating system are fully updated. Close background apps that use internet or CPU heavily, like downloads or browsers. Finally, restart your router and computer before streaming again. These steps usually fix disconnect issues and help keep your Twitch stream live without interruptions. Subscribe the channel for more videos.